Hello everyone, welcome to Plan My Health. Today I am here to talk about the cardiac care plan at Plan My Health. So, what is basically a healthy heart? To begin with, a healthy heart हम हमेशा एक healthy lifestyle से ही एक healthy heart रख सकते हैं. And to be specific, India एक ऐसी country है जहाँ पे food habits काफ़ी random है and we consume a lot of oily and rich in fat food. तो ये हो सकता है कि हमारे हार्ट को उसकी वजह से प्रॉब्लम हो. हैव यू ऑब्जर्व दैट मेनी अ टाइम्स हम हमारे बॉडी वेट पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं मोर देन फोकसिंग ऑन आर बॉडी पार्ट्स एंड आर ऑर्गन्स का ध्यान रखना अपने बॉडी वेट का ध्यान रखने से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है फॉर वेरियस रीजन्स. जनरली हमारे पूरे बॉडी पे फोकस करने के लिए एंड हमारे ऑर्गन्स का ध्यान रखने के लिए what we need to do is we need to take care of our diet, of our exercising regularly and our mental health and emotional well-being as well. Therefore, at Plan My Health, we have a holistic approach to care for your heart. To give you a little detail about the plan, the cardiac care plan stretches for over a period of 6 months and we provide various facilities throughout this plan for these 6 months. It consists of teleconsultation, medical tests, your regular wellness sessions such as your yoga, physiotherapy, diet sessions, diet and wellness, as well as psychological sessions. And there are also various value-added benefits inclusive in the plan. जितना इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट हार्ट है बॉडी का उतना ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है उस हार्ट का ध्यान रखना. एंड देयरफॉर व्हेन इट कम्स टू टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर हार्ट, मेंटल हेल्थ एंड मेंटल वेल बीइंग इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू लुक इनटू वेरी स्पेसिफिकली. This is because stress and anger can prove to be the worst enemies when you have a heart problem. And when it comes to taking care of your heart, the holistic heart and cardiac care plan takes care of your mental well-being throughout the 6 months period. In the psychological well-being sessions, we aim to take care of your everyday stressors. हम सेशन बाय सेशन जाएंगे टू चेक व्हाट द एवरीडे स्ट्रेसर्स आर दैट यू आर फेसिंग. उसके बाद एंगर ऑल्सो नीड्स टू बी लुक्ड अपॉन. So it will also be a consultation wherein we discuss your anger triggers and anger issues. After the first basic counseling session, in detail sessions will also be taken wherein issues such as anxiety, depression, panic or stress and in detail trauma related topics will also be taken care of under this plan.
For living a healthy lifestyle, it is very important that you take extreme care of your heart and it can be done by following a very nutritious diet in your life. हम इंडियंस की आदत होती है बाहर का स्ट्रीट फूड खाना which is very rich in salts and high in fats. So for a cardiac patient, it is important that you look after your salt intake. So it is important to know what and how much food to consume for a healthy heart. Heart care plan, we provide different diet plans keeping in mind your favorite foods and that will also keep in check with your blood cholesterol levels, your blood lipid profile and your physical activity level.
Till now, you all might have known what we provide in emotional and nutrition care. Now, I'll be talking about the physical care we provide for cardiac patients at Plan My Health. See, in cardiac conditions, it is very much important कि आप physical activities करते रहे. ठीक है, तो आपका BP और कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल्स मेंटेन रहेंगे, तो आपके हार्ट पर प्रेशर कम रहेगा. So here at Plan My Health, you can reach to us in the entire duration of 6 months of the package, where we'll be providing you with yoga sessions, physiotherapy care, where we will tell you all what has to be done by you, the kind of exercises that you should do, like aerobic exercises. Aerobic exercise आपके lungs और heart को ज़्यादा करके use करता है, तो it is good for your heart, it strengthens your heart. तो ऐसे सारे expert advice आपको मिलेंगे हमारे पास. Our sessions will be divided throughout the duration of 6 months evenly. So here at Plan My Health, we just don't give you one type of care. We take your proper care from the overall point of view. For any queries related to your cardiac care, you can contact us anytime in the entire duration of 6 months. We will make sure that your heart remains healthy when you are with us. So do your part. Care for your heart, and this you can do by connecting to us at Plan My Health.